Hi guys, this video I'm going to show you how to thread the Juki machine and how to use it. This is very easy. This is I love my machines. This is I've been using for since I was 16 years old. I start sewing in Philippines, but I going overseas. We still using the Juki machine. So I really love this machine. This is not advertising, but I just want to let you know that I really love this machine. I ordered this one online from Alabama since I just bought only this one since lockdown on March. I'm so lucky because I don't know that it's gonna be locked down, but once I bought my machine in 2 days it's locked down already, and then since after that I going to sew the mask, and then everybody crazy on mask that times about $1,000, but it's including the shipping. It's really worth it. I really love it. I'm not really think that how I put together, you know, once they arrive I use already. So I recommend just order assemble already because it's so hard to assemble the Juki machine, especially if you don't know how to use it, how to the belt to put it on together. So when the machine is arrived, I use it already. I making a mask, everything's babe. I selling online. I having a store in Etsy. So I just start making a business and making money and working homes with a baby. So I'm sorry guys, this is video is little bit mess because I'm making my husband is organizing the garage, is making epoxy, so it's little bit cold last month, so it is stopped. So this video I just wanna making a video because of my requested, so I really wanna do it so she can be learning how to use a Juki machine. So I don't want to take a long talk, so I just wanna start it now, show you. So starting now, so we're gonna turn on first as usual the on, and then we're starting like threading the Juki machine. Start put this thread on here, and then going number 3, you put the thread here, always start to you, and then turn it that threading in front, and then number 4 you're having on here and going to the second hole and going to down to this area, going around, and these things you put it, and then always put this thread going inside and going back again here, and next is this area going toward to outside, and push it and put the thread over here, and next over this area, and the thread the middle part is always toward inside. Okay, so next I just don't know how to making a video because like I don't have somebody to hold my camera, so I just try my best to making a videos. So hopefully next month is gonna be upgrading my video. And next we're gonna thread. This thread is going to rewinder only. Example, like your bobbin case, always having thread here, whatever bobbin case you using, I always put thread over here so I don't have to rewind it. First the thread here, and next in the top going inside and pull here, and then this area turning around and going to this area to the bobbin case. This is the bobbin case area. So making like this to the bobbin case, and then push this one. And then next is the pedals. The pedals is this one. The more you press hard, the more running so fast. So just slowly, like you driving in the car, so you can know how to control. And next is how to adjust the stitches. This is stitches adjustable. You press this one. This is lock. This is the lock stitch, and then this is the stitches. How to adjust the stitches? Press the lock stitch first and turn whatever stitches you want. This is the having a number, so you can turn 1, 2, 3. I always use 3 or 3.5. That is the right stitches. Okay, next we're going to thread the bobbin case. How to thread the bobbin case? So this is the bobbin case and this is the bobbin. I always thread always toward in front of you, and then they having hole over here, just like this. Put inside and push. How to put the bobbin case inside the machine? You always hold this one, and you always, when you put inside, they always having like click. Once you hear the click, it means it's locked already, so you can take out your hand. Let's put the bobbin case inside the machine. So this is the inside of the machine. So you see the whole things. Make it so close. Did you see that area? The bobbin case is always toward you. In front, this area, this one. Hold this one and put it over there. I just sorry for that. I don't have somebody to hold it. I just by myself. So always put the bobbin case inside. Here, see it? They hear it? They're having a click, like click, and then once bobbin case is already done, try to, before you start, try to take the thread inside, make it sure that it's perfect. So once you take the thread inside, you can start sewing now. So it's ready for you. So you can, I wanna try this thread so you can see it. Yay, see? It's perfect. This is, I really love this machine. So this one is just only number 3. If you put number 5, it's gonna be big stitches. Try number 5. This is number 5. Okay, thank you guys. I hope that you enjoy to watching the tutorial, and I hope you're enjoying to watch how to thread the Juki machines. This is not advertising, because I just only knew and on my YouTube. I just wanna help you how to thread the Juki machines. And I have more machine. I have a overlock machine. I have a brother embroidery too. I wanna show you how to. I'm gonna take a video maybe next, and then I wanna review my brother's how to thread, how to operate, and then I have cricut machine also. I have a lot of things to show you, but I just only started. So if I have time, I'm having a baby, I want to show you all of that, so you can start your own little business in Etsy, or you having a web page. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Love you guys.